So here's how you're going to add a new student to your caseload. You're going to click over on Student Roster, and it's going to show you your students that you already have there. We're going to click on Add Student, and here you can enter in the student's full name. Let's name her Jane Smith. Very specific name, I know. Her parent is John Smith, and you can put the student's phone number that you can reach their parents at right here. You can put their grade over here, let's say fourth grader, and then the email address is going to go right here. You can click and save and add another, or you can save and schedule a session. Now, when you save and add another, or when you save and schedule a session, it's going to send an email to whatever email you type in this box, and it's going to inform that person, whoever has the email address, that we have invited them to join the Verge platform. So at that point, they create an account, and they'll be able to see the sessions that you schedule for them.